What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. If y'all are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Go check out maplemotors.com. We got financing. As you can see, there's a shipping truck over there. We ship cars out all the time. We got close to 100 detailed pictures of every car on the lot. Today, we're going to be walking around this 1940 pickup truck. Pretty little Chevrolet. Angry Amish on the side. This is a really nice one. 350 under the hood, 3-deuce, power steering, rack and pinion, power brakes. See the booster. I think disc brakes in the front. Lots of good upgrades. What we do in these videos, walk around these cars, point out any kind of flaws that you may need to know before you drive up here. If I see a scratch, rust, bondo, dent, anything, I'll point it out. If you enjoy this video, hit subscribe. If you enjoy the music at the beginning, top right hand corner, I produce all of it. We're gonna start up here in the front. Front bumper's been on there a little bit. You can see some blemishes in it. It's got some light scratches, a little dent there. Nothing major, but you can see the supports behind her. Got a little bit of rust on them. Could use some touch-up paint. And the grill's the same way. Somebody spent a lot of time cleaning it up, steel wooling it. Probably get most of that off. Got some light scratches on top of your fender here. In the front's a little bit more in depth there. Pinstriping around the wheel well. Nice tires. It's like some metal Brock valve covers. One of my favorite things, the windshield that pops out in the front. I think that's awesome. Windshield wipers missing on this side. We'll be going over all that as well, trying all the electronics out, see what does work and what doesn't. Get some paint chips at the bottom of the running board. Of course, that's kind of all over it. I mean, people step on these. Looks like a little bubble popping up, somebody touched up. A little scratch here. Lots of pinstriping. Another angry Amish guy. Little chip at the bottom of the door there. Some bubbles popping up at the corner of this door. Door handles got pitting popping up on it. The wood slats on top of the bed. Some chips. Rock chips from the road there. Back bumper's about the same as the front. It's not perfect. It's got some slight dents on the edge there. Still looks pretty good though. Little chip in the tailgate. Same with right here. Pinstripe in here. Paint's a little thick. Light scratch. Another one. Bottom of that door's got some paint just cracking off. Zoomed in there. I didn't shut the door all the way. There it is. Light scratch. Definitely some work been put into that door at the bottom. Chips where you get in and out of the truck. Same with the rail. Looks like a slight dent there. Light scratches on this fender as well. Not perfect. All right, we've made it around this vehicle. Let's go ahead and check out the inside. Bench seat. Got some old surface rust popping up. Oh no, that's like foam. It's like they had something on the panels there. I guess this was all the way around. Go ahead and place your bets if you think the horn works on this one. We'll be checking that out as well. A little game we like to play on this channel. Let's hop up in here. Let's start this thing up. Starts up pretty easy. We got our tag coming up on the dash. Engine temp's not quite up. We'll be watching it on the test drive. Be looking for a test drive video. Oil pressure's up. Looks like your gas gauge is working. And the alternator gauge came up. Can't stand behind the miles. I mean, this is a 40 model. So. Ready for the horn? Oh, no horn. Tilt column. It's definitely good. Windshield wiper works. That's why it's called Angry Amish. All right, guys, getting ready to give you some undercarriage shots. We're gonna start up in the front, go all the way around the vehicle. right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, jump on over to maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures, financing, and shipping information. We got all of our inventory on there so you can check it out, watch a test drive. All you got to do is type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors, for example. YouTube search bar, 1940, pickup, Maple Motors. You get 2 videos, this video and a test drive. Test drive's coming up soon. Be looking for that. Hit that subscribe button for more videos. And if you like the music, top right-hand corner, I produce all of it. All right, guys. About that time, make a test drive video. Let's get it.